hardest problem on algebra usually comes for Max Olympiad question paper. ABC equals 48, A plus B plus C equals 15, A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 101. Find cube root of A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Here A, B, C belongs to integers. See, we have the identity A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equals A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. First you have to prove the right hand side. Right hand side is equal to A into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA plus B into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Opening the bracket. Equals A into A square A cube plus AB square plus AC square minus A square B minus ABC minus CA square plus B into A square BA square plus B cube plus BC square minus AB square minus AB square minus B square C minus ABC plus C A square plus C B square plus C cube minus ABC minus BC square minus C square A. Here the terms get cancelled. Positive and negative get cancelled. Plus AB square minus AB square. See, all the terms get cancelled except A cube plus B cube. Everything get cancelled. A cube ABC, B cube, C cube, here one ABC, here one ABC, that is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3 ABC. This is our LHS. So we proved this identity. Now we have to find A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus 2 into AB plus BC plus C is equal to A plus B plus C is given as 15. We will give the value here. 15 square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square, that also given as 101 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. 15 square is 225. 225 equals 101 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Therefore, 2 into AB plus BC plus CA equals 225 minus 101. Therefore, what is 225 minus 101? That is 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 5 minus 1, 4, 2, 2 minus 1, 24. Therefore, dividing both sides by 2, so AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 62. We got the value of AB plus BC plus CA as 62. See, what you have to do? AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 62. AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 62. We got that 62. We are applying in that AQ plus BQ plus CQ. That formula, applying in this formula, that is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. 3ABC equals A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square plus A square plus B square plus C square, not plus, minus AB minus BC minus CA. Okay, A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Now we will solve the right hand side and left hand side in order to get the answer. A cube plus B cube plus C cube, bring minus 3AB to the other side, equals A plus B plus C. We have the value A plus B plus C as 15 into A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 101 minus taken outside. See here, AB, BC, CA, positive value 62. So, since it is negative, so we have the value minus 62 plus that is 3ABC, this 3ABC. 3 into ABC is given as 48 equals 15 into here 101 minus 62. What is 101 minus 62? 39 plus 3 into 48, 144 equals, what is 15 into 39? 15 into 39 is 585. 85 plus 144 is equal to 729. Therefore, cube root of A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals cube root of 729. 29. So what is cube root of 729? 9 into 9 into 9. 3 nines make 729. So the answer is 9. Cube root of a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals 9. This is our answer. Okay.